They say it's not over until the fat lady sings, and Nancy Baraza has taken this saying to heart and has opted to appeal this decision made on Monday, the 6th of August.
In our opinion, a judge who engages in lawless conduct and thereafter tries to explain it away with misleading testimony should not continue in office.
The notice of appeal presented to the tribunal officers at the Kenya International Conference Center by Baraza's lawyer Kioko Kilukumi states that Baraza is dissatisfied with the recommendation and decision to remove her from office. She's also disputing the claim that her behavior on the 31st of December 2011 amounted to gross misconduct. Speaking to KTN on phone, lawyer Kilukumi said Baraza has the constitutional right to appeal. Baraza now has to brace herself for two cases. On one hand, a criminal case after the Director of Public Prosecutions told the police to institute criminal charges against her for allegedly assaulting security guard Rebecca Kerubo and brandishing a gun. And on the other hand, she must clear her name before the Supreme Court. Catherine Omwando, KTN.